Hi boys and girls, welcome to week 3, day 4 writing. Today we will answer what is a metaphor, compare metaphors to similes, sort metaphors and similes, watch as I model writing a poem about rain using metaphors. After this video, you will be able to, in the templates attached, complete a metaphor and simile sort, and create your own metaphor poem, Spring Is. What is a metaphor? A metaphor is a direct comparison between two things, saying one thing is something else, even though it is not physically that item. Examples. He's a star. When you say someone's a star, you're saying they're really good at something, not that they're physically or actually a star. That's a piece of cake. When you say something's a piece of cake, you're saying something or a task was very easy, not that the task was actually a piece of cake. She's a fish. When someone says someone's a fish, they may be referring to that person being a good swimmer or liking the water, not that they're physically or actually a fish. What is the difference between a metaphor and a simile? If you're saying to yourself, metaphors seem a lot like similes, you're correct. And great job paying attention to the simile lesson yesterday. What is the difference between a metaphor and a simile? Well, you may remember from yesterday, a simile compares two things using like or as in the sentence. For example, they are as close as two peas in a pod. We see that the word as is underlined in the sentence. This sentence compares two friends and saying that they're close, like two peas in a pod. Another example, he's wise like an owl. You'll see the word like is underlined. We're comparing someone to an owl because we say that owls are smart. In comparison to metaphors, metaphors compare two things by saying something is or are something else. Let's take a look at those two examples as metaphors. They are two peas in a pod. This time we see that the word are is used in the sentence. We're not saying they are like or as two peas in a pod. We are saying they are two peas in a pod, even though they are not physically peas in a pod. He is a wise owl. Notice we use is in the sentence to compare saying the person is an owl. Let's sort similes and metaphors. Listen as I read the following sentences. We'll sort them under simile or metaphor. Remember, a simile uses like or as to compare two things. A metaphor compares two things using is or are. Let's try the first one. The truck is as big as an elephant. Listen again. The truck is as big as an elephant. Should that go under simile or metaphor? Correct. The truck is as big as an elephant is a simile. Notice the word as has been underlined in the sentence. We are comparing the truck to an elephant. Number 2. My teacher is a dragon. Listen again. My teacher is a dragon. Will that go under simile or metaphor? Correct. My teacher is a dragon goes under metaphor. Notice the word is underlined in this sentence. And hopefully none of you have ever been able to say that. Number 3. You are my sunshine. Listen again. You are my sunshine. Will that go under simile or metaphor? Great! You are my sunshine is a metaphor. Notice are has been underlined. It's as easy as ABC. Listen again. It's as easy as ABC. Will that go under simile or metaphor? Correct. It's as easy as ABC. Notice the word as has been used in the sentence. It's comparing a task to knowing ABC. She's like a moth to a flame. Listen to that again. She's like a moth to a flame. Is that a simile or metaphor? Correct. A simile. She's like a moth to a flame. Notice the word like has been underlined. Last sentence. This bedroom is a pigsty. Listen again. This bedroom is a pigsty. Will that go under simile or metaphor? Correct. This bedroom is a pigsty is a metaphor. Notice the word is has been underlined. Great job. Let's keep going. Next, we're going to work to write a poem using metaphors. The subject of my poem is rain. My title is underlined. Rain is. I'm going to think and brainstorm what I know about a rainy day. What comparisons can I make to rain? I think about the weather outside. I know rain is a gray sky. When it rains, there are lots of gray clouds in the sky. What else do I know about rain? Rain is a lazy day. When it rains, I can't go out and play. Sometimes I just curl up on the couch with a good book. Rain is an umbrella. When it rains, sometimes you need an umbrella to be able to go outside. What else do I know about rain? Rain is galoshes and raincoats. Sometimes you need special clothing to go out in the rain. Rain is, I know, my favorite, puddles for splashing in. Take a look. I did not say rain is water. Rain is cold. I compared rain to other things by using is in my sentences. Let's read my whole poem. Rain is a gray sky. Rain is a lazy day. Rain is an umbrella. Rain is galoshes and raincoats. Rain is puddles for splashing in. Great job! Now it's your turn to try. Follow the directions and complete the templates attached below. For each template, there are 2 pages. The first page is the directions, and the second page is the page that you will use to write on. Good job on week 3, day 4 writing.